I need coffee. I need coffee to aim for precision. Like the word custom is somewhat synonymous with the word precision. Like we have to factor in precision in manufacturing, precision in measuring, precision in coordination, and the most importantly, precision in installation, because doing everything in-house allows us to have flexibility even during the installation process. There's all sorts of site conditions that need to be navigated, and being able to be the manufacturer of every element gives us the chance to adjust and adapt.
This helps with the variation on the edges.
Yeah, and because it's so like uneven, it's not gonna stick everywhere. But the vacuum pump is gonna do the rest. We're doing the panels for the corners. Remember the ones with the little slots in them, so that we can bend them. We developed a second way of doing it, so we'll see if it's gonna work better or worse, so that we can start skinning the second pod.
When you say millwork, it's more woodworking stuff. You say cabinetry, everybody thinks of cabinet boxes and maybe cabinet doors, but we don't do only that. So, as I've been telling you, we're gonna start making here custom moldings. Like we're gonna have our own line of crown moldings, of baseboard, of chair rails, any kind of molding. Because I will be developing the profiles, then I will cut the actual knives, so we will have our own design of molding, and we'll have the ability to make our own custom knives for all the millwork. So I can replicate moldings that have been designed by somebody else, and we can create knives, again, to just bring that millwork capacity one step above most other shops, and we can create our own designs which are going to be used in our own projects. So whenever we will need millwork, the traditional millwork, moldings, casings, railings, handrails, everything that has to do with solid wood, we'll be able to come up with new and intricate designs or replicate existing for restoration jobs or a remodel that needs to follow a certain design. So yeah, millwork is very important. It's something that we've been doing at the beginning of the shop in Montreal, but then because the cabinetry part grew so much more than the millwork, we concentrated more on developing that. But now that we're here, we're gonna start with both of them, the cabinetry, custom cabinetry work, and millwork, custom woodworking.
I want to make sure that the cutouts that we're making now are the same depth as the cutouts that have been done for the first pod. Because if it's a little bit thicker, it might not bend. If it's a little bit thinner, it might crack. So we know that that one worked, so I want to keep it consistent. So 0.06. 0.06.